Hello and welcome back to Learn English Slow for Beginners. Please relax and enjoy Foundation 8. There is no need to memorize anything, you are doing very well. Now, listen to the English words for today. Just listen. Have, want, need, give, take, I, you, this. Okay, listen to the words again and repeat them after me. Have, want, need, give, take, I, you, this. Good. Slowly but surely. Now we can make some joined words. You can repeat them if you like. I have this. You have this. I want this. You want this. I need this. You need this. Give this. Take this. I give you this. You give me this. I take this. You take this. I want you. You need me. I have work. You need rest. Take a drink. I drink now. Good. Okay, listen to a short story using the words. I am here now. You are here with me. I have this. You want this. I give this to you. You take this and smile. You feel happy. I feel good. I need rest now. You need a drink. We sit here and talk. You smile. I feel calm. We go home later. Today is a good day. Finally, let us hear the English words one more time. Have, want, need, give, take, I, you, this. Okay, that is all for today. Well done. Relax now, and I will see you for Foundation 9. If you enjoyed this lesson, you can like, share, and subscribe.